So I want to make this quick video about how to get 50,000 views or 40,000 views every 48 hours. As you can see here, I just on the dashboard, in the last 48 hours, I'm on 43,886 views. Obviously, this is my channel. I know what I'm talking about. I have 50,000 subscribers, actually 53,000. Now, how do you get 40,000 subscribers every 48 hours consistently? Because what matters is the consistency. You don't want to get it once, then you don't get it again. Why did I get it? How did I get it? If you look here in the last couple of days, I have these basically two videos contributing to it. This is one video from 8 days ago, which has 32k views, and this one from 2 days ago, which has 23k views. Why are these blowing up and then the other ones aren't as much? Now, it's part of trend jacking, and I've made videos on trend jacking before. You can check it out. What you want to do is you jump in on things that are trending right now and you relate it to what you're talking about. Now, these are big things going on. You might have seen on TikTok going viral this woman called dirty churches, and then she called one mosque. None of the churches helped her, the mosque helped her, right? Whatever. But the point is, it was going viral. Everyone was searching it up, and me talking about it, but then I relate it. So you don't just want to react to it, or you don't just want to upload it and, you just, oh, look here, you're re-uploading the content. No. I upload the clip, but then in the video itself, so for example, let's see here. I talk about it, well, I think I have the audio muted, but I upload the clip. The clip literally just plays out, the whole clip, and then at the end, I analyze it, and I convert it, or I relate it, to my niche, or whatever, that's it. So I only really have a minute of content, and I have like 4 minutes of just uploading the clips. So, and that got 32k views. Why does this work? Because that video is already viral. There's already virality. People want to search and find that clip. The video is going to get views just from people searching it. YouTube is going to push it out. It's trending, etc. Now, if you need help with any of this, you can join my school. Link is in the description. The Creator Club. I can help you get to 1,000 subscribers. I also do personal coaching. If you want one-on-one coaching and you don't want to have the sort of school community, that's fine. We have both options. Now, that's that. The same thing with this one here. 23k views. A viral clip of Christians interrupting prayer. I literally play the clip out. The clip plays out for like a minute and a half, and then for the next 5 minutes or so, and then I play another clip for another minute and a half. And in between, I literally just react to it. So it's very low effort. And you could do this with any niche. For example, let's say hypothetically, randomly, if you're a sports and exercise physiologist or whatever, and you specialize on football injuries and minimizing injuries, you could react to any drama. Let's say if Neymar Jr., Ronaldo, any famous footballer did a new training regimen, you could talk about the training regimen, you could upload the clip, and then react to it and relate it and explain if this reduces injuries or if it doesn't, and if they're right or wrong, etc. And you could do this with anything. Neymar, if some footballer did get injured, you could play the clip and then explain why he got injured. So you could talk about anything trending and then relate it to your niche, and you're going to get views. So you don't always have to react to stuff, but you can. It's a type of content to just react to stuff all the time, but then you add value to it. Sometimes I have original content too, like these other ones, top 10 books, whatever, more misconceptions, the original stuff. But sometimes, as you can see, these square ones, it's just me reacting to something, and then I talk about it. That's already viral. So just wanted to share that with you, and that's how you can get stuff like 40,000 views every 48 hours. And I'm going to upload another one tonight. We're going to try to get this number to 100,000 views every 48 hours. But yeah, just wanted to share that. And all the best with your channel. Take care.